Every retail business runs on trends. Sales, margin, channel mix, all moving week over week. Catch a trend early, and you can act on it. Miss it, and by the time it shows up in a monthly report, the moment to act is already gone. Take Tech Retail MX. 8 product categories, 30 SKUs, 3 channels, stores in Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey, an online store, and a network of B2B distributors. Margins range from 30 to 50% depending on the category. That is a lot of trend lines moving at once. Now scale that across Tech Retail MX. 8 categories, 30 SKUs, 3 regions, 3 channels. Someone would need to watch hundreds of trend lines every week to catch the one that matters. In Guadalajara, gaming margin has been sliding for 6 weeks, buried in the noise. Nobody opened that exact chart at the exact right time. This is where Scoop's trend analysis takes over. Scoop reads Tech Retail MX's data and understands it automatically. Which column is a category, which is a region, which numbers are margin versus volume. Then it watches every trend line continuously, for every category, every region, every channel at once. Scoop's anomaly detection does not just see a dip. It tests whether that dip is real or just noise. The drop in Guadalajara gaming margin passes that test. It is significant. Scoop then runs driver analysis. Which factors actually explain the change? It finds that a distributor price change quietly compressed margin across 3 SKUs at the same time. Then it writes the finding in plain language, not a chart full of numbers. A sentence anyone can act on. Every week, Scoop scans every category, region, and channel and writes the takeaways in plain English. That summary lands in the director's inbox: what moved, why it moved, and what to watch next. The same trend spotting a full team would need days to do by hand, running continuously for every region. This is not a new dashboard to learn, and it does not replace the ones Tech Retail MX already has. It is the layer that watches every trend those dashboards show all the time and tells the team the moment one of them actually matters. Not more charts to read, just the moment that matters, found automatically every week.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.